Hello everybody, and I am back here. Now I'm gonna show you how to install OnyX for Mac. I swear on this program is a utility that helps tune up the computer and optimize it for best performance on a Mac only. I have one for Windows as well, which I'll be posting another video later, but I just wanted to show you that OnyX is a great tool to help optimize your computer. Helps free up space and clear junk on the computer. So the first step, let's get right into it. Let's open our browser here. We're gonna go and open up Google. So we type in google.com, and then here we're gonna type OnyX Mac. That's enough to bring up as the first result OnyX right here. It's downloaded from an only www.titanium software. There's where you should download it from. It's usually the very first link on the search. And then what you got to do is match your operating system. It comes for Ventura 13. I am running currently a Big Sur, so I'm going to download it for Big Sur here, Mac OS Big Sur. Yeah, do you want to allow downloads? Yes, allow. Right here on the downloads, let's go and open the .dmg file and install it. Agree to the disclaimer. It's going to verify a few things there. Let's go back to our RetroWave desktop, and then here, OnyX, we're going to drag and drop it to the applications folder. Boom, you heard the boom. That means it's dropped and ready to be opened. Now we have to click on Go, Applications, and go to OnyX. If it's not there, it is there. There you go. OnyX, double click. Let's open it up. Right here, OnyX is an app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, open. And now it's going to open. Or it might ask us for extra steps for security. Okay, or password. Type in your password if you have one. Click OK. And here you go. Sometimes OnyX will ask you to go and allow for security purposes. You gotta go to System Preferences, and then you gotta go right here to Security and Privacy. And here you gotta open up certain things. 7605. My password. I shouldn't be mentioning my password online, but whatever. I don't care. I don't care anymore. It's just my login password. So right here, full disk access, if you scroll down in the left pane, full disk access, you should check this mark here. That's going to allow the computer to open up OnyX and install it. That might be required or might not. What I'd like to do, we could go over every single one of these tabs, but what I like to do is I like to go over maintenance, and then here you can just leave everything default. You don't have to check in anything. From here you can just run tasks. The computer needs to restart. After running these tasks, OnyX will restart your computer. I'm not going to do that because it's going to interrupt the video. But just run this. Know that you don't need to check anything. All of these rebuilding, verifying, rebuilding, cleaning, and miscellaneous options, it's going to do all of these options. It's a really good program. It'll help your computer get faster and save space. I really like this program. Give it a shot. It's a trusted program. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.